हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल द ड्रंकन फूड। हमारे चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। सो इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर एन ऑसम सी फूड स्टार्टर रेसिपी, दिस इज़ द राइट one for you. So we'll be making prawns ghee roast. It's a spicy, tangy and fiery recipe of prawns. So let's get started. To begin with the prawns ghee roast recipe, the first step is to marinate the prawns. I have nicely cleaned them, I have shelled them and I have removed the vein. Also, it's very important to clean the prawns properly. Friends, I have made a small video of prawns cleaning. I have given the link in the description. After checking out this video, you can check out that video. Friends, if you are eating prawns from outside, make sure they are cleaned very well. Otherwise, you will end up having a food poisoning. So, I always prefer eating prawns at home. The first thing is to marinate the prawns with some salt. Add salt as per your taste. With this, let's add in some red chili powder, followed by some turmeric powder and some black pepper powder. By the way friends, don't skip the video. Check out till end. You will be trolling till the end. And I can bet after this video ends, you will be making prawns at your home. Also, I'll add in some peeled garlic and lemon juice. Let's give this a thorough mix. Allow the prawns to marinate for minimum 15 to 20 minutes. But if you have some time in hand, you can marinate for longer time. While I have kept prawns for marination, I'll chop some onions and tomatoes for frying. Here I have taken one medium size onion, few garlic cloves and ginger. We're gonna chop them using chopper. Friends, chopper is really a wonderful kitchen equipment. You must invest in some good quality choppers. After this, we'll heat a tawa or pan. I recommend to use iron pans. It gives amazing flavor to the prawns. After this, I add in some coconut oil. Keep the flame on medium to high. Then we're going to add marinated prawns. On a high flame, we need to kind of roast the prawns. It's actually a stir frying technique, but over the years it's popularly known as roasting. Friends, अगर आपको मेरे वीडियोस पसंद आ रहे हैं तो please subscribe to my channel and please hit the bell button so that you get the notification of my latest videos. Friends, this garlic aroma is amazing. By the way, don't forget to constantly stir and scraping, otherwise the marination will stick onto the pan. Also, you will notice that at this stage prawns will going to release some water. But do not worry, this is exactly how it's supposed to be. One more thing friends, when prawn cook, muscles contract, so the prawn shrink and curl. Almost all prawns, even cooked by the best chef in the world, turn into a O shape. So don't worry about shrinking of the prawns. Moving on, turn the prawns and cook on the other side for 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. By the way guys, don't forget to check out my other videos. Now our prawns are roasted, we will take them out on a plate. You can even eat them as it is. They taste yum. Moving on, we will heat the same pan and add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Well, do not shy away from this step because this is the main flavor of the dish. Let's heat this on moderate flame and then we will add our green chilies. I have slit them into 2 pieces. It's a great way to make it more tangy and spicy. But yes, if you want less spicy, you can skip the green chilies. Along with this, I'll add chopped onions, garlic and ginger and some salt. Now be careful while adding the salt as we have already added the salt in the marination. Now we will just cook the onion for 5 to 6 minutes till they releases oil and turn golden in color. After this, we'll add our chopped tomatoes. Cook them till they turn soft. Tomato brings that great acidic flavor in the recipe. By the way friends, where have you eaten prawns for the first time? My answer will be in the comment section. Hope you all going to reply. Now it's time to add some masalas. We will add masalas one by one. First we will add some turmeric powder. Then we will add half teaspoon of garam masala. Then we will add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. By the way friends, you know coriander powder is used to smoothen the heat in the recipe? Well, I guess you must be knowing it now. Along with that, we will add 1 teaspoon of meat masala and give it a quick stir and cook for 2 minutes till the oil releases from the masalas. One thing to note here friends, I have skipped adding red chilies as we have already used chilies in marination and in the form of green chilies. Otherwise it will be super spicy. After cooking the masalas, now we are going to add our roasted prawns. One thing to note here friends, we have to roast the prawns. Otherwise they will taste raw if we directly add them into the onion and tomatoes. After adding the prawns, we will cook them in masalas for 2 minutes. Now it's been 2 minutes. Our prawns ghee roast is ready and they are looking super amazing. And look at the color, it's looking so good. Our prawns ghee roast is ready to serve. You can make this amazing recipe in your parties and everybody will going to love you for this. Anyways, you can serve them with rice or you can eat it as starter or with chapatis, dosa, whatever you like. So friends, if you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And if you have any feedback or query, please write it below in the comment box. And don't forget to check out our other recipe videos. Link will be given in the description box. Thanks for watching.